Welcome back, friends. Good morning. Now it's time 7 a.m. in the morning, and as you know that I come here for my English practice every day. See this place. Place is very beautiful. So many trees and greenery you can see everywhere because it is rainy season, monsoon. So greenery is everywhere. So in this video, I am going to tell you I use ChatGPT for my English practice. ChatGPT. I was pronouncing that ChatGPT wrong yesterday. I was telling ChatGTP. It is not ChatGTP. It is ChatGPT. Okay. So I use ChatGPT every day, and how I use it for my English practice, I am going to tell you that thing. So there are so many uses of ChatGPT. We can use for making script. If it is very useful for content creator actually, not for everybody, not for common people, but for a content creator it is very useful. We can make script through by using ChatGPT. Then we can make create some images. There are a lot of options, and a few days ago you may have seen that people were making Ghibli type images. That too they were using ChatGPT, and then we can it is very useful for English also. English we can learn very good English. We can talk with ChatGPT through voice tool. There is voice tool in voice option. Voice mode is there in ChatGPT. We can talk as we talk our friend. We can ask question, any question to ChatGPT. Again, I think I was pronouncing that ChatGPT wrong. Okay, no, it's anyway. So we can create image. We can make a script of any video, and lot of idea we can get through ChatGPT, and then we can use for our English practice. And I am using ChatGPT from long time, and from last 1 month I am consistently working on English language. I am practicing every day from last 1 month. Okay, now I will tell you how I use it. I should take a screen recording of that ChatGPT. Let's see on the screen. Okay, so here it is a ChatGPT at one number. Okay, I'm going to open it, start it. Okay, now this is how it looks. It is ChatGPT, and we have to ask anything here. See bottom side. Here we can ask anything. Create a cartoon. We can create cartoon too. Tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire. Okay, so there are so many ready-made phrases. We can choose them and ask anything. Let's see, here we can ask anything here. Now I am asking ChatGPT to give one funny English story for English learner who are at intermediate level in English learning. Okay, so just give this prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will write English story for us. See, within a second ChatGPT started writing. It's very short story. We can make longer. We can give prompt. While writing prompt, we can mention time, 10-minute story, 5-minute story, like that. And see, this is a story written by ChatGPT. The day my cat became a chief. Last Saturday, I woke up at a strange smell in my kitchen. It wasn't coffee. It wasn't toast. It smelled suspicious. Just you can read it full. So take screenshot. Okay, and when I listen English and when I read English, at that time I get so many words that I don't know. There are so many new words for me comes while listening and reading. So what I do, I just here is my book and notebook. I just write those words in my notebook. Let me show you. It is here, and I write these words with Hindi meaning and sentences, and I take sentences through ChatGPT, and I can make myself too, but I take some sentences through ChatGPT for practice purpose, because it provides very correct sentence. So I take sentences of that new word and in meaning also. So I have write down there those words with sentence and meaning. I will show you now. Here it is word. These are words. This is first word, remote organization. I did not know meaning of this word before. Then I have write meaning in Hindi, how to use it, where to use it, and then sentences, 1 2 3 sentence. Then here fitness freak. I also did not know about that meaning, didn't know. Then I am bit थोड़ा, bit का मतलब है थोड़ा. I am bit tired, मैं थोड़ा थका हुआ हूँ. I am a bit busy right now, मैं अभी थोड़ा busy हूँ, व्यस्त हूँ. So like that I have I have written these words with meaning and sentences, and every day I read this. I am not just reading and keeping aside. Every day I give some time for reading and looking for these words. I repeat every day these words, and I can memorize these words. And I also use this word while I speak with people through applications. I use this word. Okay, so this is the use of ChatGPT. So this is my whole practice, friends. I have book I read also. I have started reading, but mostly I am focusing on listening and speaking. But I am slowly I am increasing my practice, because it's my first month of consistently practicing. It is my first month, and uh, upcoming days I will increase this practice timing. Okay, so if we directly increase our practice time, so we get bored, we feel tired. That's why I'm increasing this time slowly. So this is the use of ChatGPT. You should use it. It is very beneficial. It is up to us that how we utilize our time, and we must be aware, and we must be conscious about our time, where we are spending our time, everything. Okay, so this is very important. We have to plan. Actually, we need to plan our every day. Today where we are going to spend our time, the next day we must have a planning of whole week. What day what we have to do. I have also made that planner. I will show you one day. I have in that notebook there is planner, but I have to correct a little bit that planner. I have to rewrite this planner. So I will tell you that planner. But we should have planner of our week, where we have to spend time every day. And I would like to tell you one thing, that since last 6 months and 7 months, I am not visiting, I am not sitting with my friend, I am not chit chatting with them, I am not giving time to that activity, because last 15 and 20 year, we can say, from college days, we are sitting with friend, we are means traveling with them, we are going here and there and sitting for hours and hours, like 2 hours 3 hours every day. But this is not actually beneficial. If we observe, we are not getting any idea or any benefit by sitting with friend, by giving time to them. So if we are not getting some good thoughts, positive thinking, and some idea, so we have to change that friend circle and environment, and we also have to change our habits, our mindset. That is very important. So it's all, friends, what I wanted to tell you in this video. So use ChatGPT if you are content creator, or if you are learning English language, or you can take benefit of it. There are means a lot of uses of ChatGPT, as I said. And now I will end this video. Okay, so if you are watching first time, so do subscribe, and be connected to the channel, and you will realize, you will see my English journey, and how I improve my language. By every month I will tell you, like report, I will give you report of my English improvement. So be connected to the channel, be the part of my English journey. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. We will meet again. Thank you. Jai Hind.